would definitely recommend for others to attend the conference because you just gain so much knowledge and insight, especially what's going to be coming up, in the next releases and where they're looking to put some of their vision into the product for the upcoming years ahead. I've attended 5 conferences so far, and each one is a little bit better than the next.
Most definitely would recommend people coming to the conference. It's fun meeting people that use ESPRIT more than I do to pick up on things that I don't know or haven't seen before. It really helps when we go back to work. This conference is very beneficial. It's much better than anything that I've ever worked with before. ESPRIT is awesome.
I have really enjoyed this ESPRIT World Conference. This is my 3rd one to attend, and my company finds a lot of value in sending me here every year. Each time they send me, even though if maybe the market we're in is slow and they're cutting spending, they still like to send me and all the programmers here to gain more knowledge about the machine tools that we currently have.
There's typically, I think, a lot of value for this. There's education. There's people have a tendency to use ESPRIT on a kind of a narrow road, and it broadens it into a freeway. And that's really cool.
5 years ago, I was taking existing programs. Cycle time was consistently between 4.5 hours. After the conference, I got them down to average on 3, which made justifying this conference an easy sell again.